Hi there, and welcome to today's video on the basics of navigation in Acumatica. The first thing that we have to do is actually log into the system, and we access the system through a web solution by hitting a URL, typing in our credentials, and then logging in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in now. Our security is best of breed with features such as multi-factor authentication available if that is something you wanted to scale up on, and it's essentially PIN authentication that you might be familiar when it comes to banking. So here you can see that I've logged into the system, and I'm logged in as the admin user, so you can see a variety of different workspaces that are listed here on the left. But Acumatica is a role-based system, which means each user has defined permissions and they're only available to see what is relevant to their role or what they have access to. Acumatica also focuses primarily on usability, and that's where we're going to start today. I'm going to start today under Favorites. The Favorites module is a window that consolidates common day-to-day tasks based on user, and it's specific to each user so that they don't have to constantly go and search throughout many modules and filtering through all those different windows. You can add favorites by simply going to the module and starring certain items that you would like. By starring these items, including reports, when I go back into the favorites menu, you'll see a finance module listed, and there it is. You can additionally remove favorites if things are not something that you use, just to keep it a little bit cleaner. So now when we toggle the menu, we'll see that projects has disappeared. In addition to this, Acumatica has something known as the universal search function. So this is the search bar here. When I type in sales, I'm going to be able to see a variety of different menu items that have the word sales in them, as well as help topics, transactions, profiles, and files. So if I go under help topics, I can see that there's sales order that pops up if, for instance, you wanted clarification on a specific field or how to do something, as well as files. The Acumatica system allows you to attach documents to almost every single transaction in the system and profile, which could be relevant for engineering drawings or receipts when it comes to expenses, whatever might be of relevance to you. In addition to this, the Acumatica system is able to search actual invoices or transactions, so if a customer happens to call you and is referencing an invoice number, instead of having to go into invoices and then typing it in, if I type in 817, click on the Transactions and Profile tab, I can see here the invoice that this customer is referencing. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video on an intro to navigation. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thanks.